Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Tutorial, where we make Excel smart and simple. So in today's quick tip, I've got a data set with names and email addresses. Pretty basic, right? But here's how I made it smarter. All right, so I've just entered a few names here in column J, and their emails right next to them in column K. Now let's clean things up a bit and make this data more useful. First, let's check for duplicate names. In column L, I'll type a simple formula equals count of dollar K2 colon dollar K 7 comma K2 greater than 1. This will show true if a name appears more than once. See? Ali and Asif are marked because they're repeated, super useful when you're cleaning data. Now in column D, I want to extract just the username part from each email, everything before the @ symbol. So here's a quick trick. Chuckershot left K2, find re K2, 1. As soon as I hit enter, boom, it grabs the first part of the email. Copy it down, and now we've got clean usernames we can easily compare and work with. This makes your data set easier to scan, spot issues, and organize better. Try it on your own sheet, and if you like learning these quick, useful tricks, don't forget to subscribe to Data Tutorial and hit the bell for more Excel magic. See you in the next one.